Yes.
May I please your lordship? I beg to mention item number 54, lordship. Petitioner wants to withdraw his matter, lordship.
MS
And Kolita.
heard MS and Kalita, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard anyone there? For the respondent in 54? I think standing counsel, personal department. So you also heard Mr. D. Bora, learned government counsel for the state respondent. Stop. MS so-and-so, Kalita, learned so-and-so, submits that the petitioner doesn't, petitioner has instructed not to press the instant writ petition and accordingly seeks withdrawal of the same. Withdrawal, right?
Yes.
In view of the aforesaid endorsement, the writ petition stands dismissed on being withdrawn.
Obliged.
Made please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 42, Lordship.
42, yes.
We have taken the consent of the petitioner. We need some time, Lordship, to file affidavit in opposition, Lordship.
All right.
Respondent number 13 to 19, Lordship.
As prayed for by Mr.
I am R. Islam, Lordship.
R. Islam, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent numbers 13 to 14.
13 to 19, Lordship.
But 12 to 19 or 13 to 19?
13 to 19.
13 to 19, with consent from the other side, relist on after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the said respondent file return in the matter.
Lordship, my name may kindly be shown in the
Let the name of so-and-so be reflected in the cause list.
Obliged.
With the consent of the petitioner, I will put item number 41, my lord. So we proceed after 2 weeks. In the meantime, I will file my affidavit, my lord.
As prayed for by Mr. S. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel.
Jal board, my lord.
Jal board, with consent from the other side, relist after 3 weeks to enable the department file return in the matter.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 14 of today's list. Here, Lordship, the petitioner counsel, one of the petitioner counsel cannot appear, Lordship. So I seek a short accommodation.
14.
Yes, item number 14.
As prayed for by Mr. H. Helial, Learned Counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner,
Yes, Lordship.
relist
A week, Lordship.
after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. With the concern of other side, I beg to mention item number 70.
Item number?
70. My lord, the respondents have filed their affidavit.
Some supplementary affidavit was required.
My lord, the affidavit has been filed by the respondent. We have received this only yesterday.
Okay, item number?
70.
70.
70.
This is from the supplementary list.
Supplementary.
Okay. As prayed for by Mr.
As Banikya.
S.
Banikya.
Banikya, Learned Counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner, relist after 2 weeks to enable the petitioner file rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent.
Wait, please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 9, lordship.
Item number?
9. We have taken the consent of the petitioner, lordship. I am appearing for respondent number 6 and 7. Lordship, the matter may be adjourned.
Yes, you are from the petitioner.
I am for respondent number 6 and
As prayed for by MS.
S. Todi, lordship.
As Todi, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent numbers
6 and 7.
6 and 7 with consent from the other side by circulating advance adjournment slip in advance, relist some so and so. After?
2 weeks, lordship.
Yes.
Obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 13 for adjournment.
Item?
13, 1-3.
Yes.
We have taken consent from the respondent side as well.
As prayed for by MS, P. Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29, Lordship. We will file additional affidavit, Lordship.
You are for?
Petitioner, Lordship.
As prayed for by Mr.
I am in, Lordship.
Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, relist after 2 weeks to enable the petitioner file additional affidavit in the matter.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 26, Lordship. Thanks, Senior Counsel, Mr. Ashish Das Gupta.
26.
Yes, Lordship.
26 is part of a series,
Lordship.
isn't it? 25 and 26 is together. So get hold of the councils in 25.
Already in the party, item number 1. If Mr. Ardhar is appearing in this matter, your lordship may take it after some time.
It's an impleadment.
Impleadment. So I don't know, he actually asked me because he's on the way, he got caught up in the flood. So
He is objecting to the
I
impleadment.
don't know, your lordship.
They are necessary party, it was his.
Anyway, let Mr. Dhar be there, Mr. Bhugi.
File. All right.
For admission item number 2.
This is that transfer matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, anything, Mr. Shekhar?
Yes, ma'am.
What is there? Because otherwise it's not a transferable post. I am only on that. Anything to show
Yes.
that even if it's not a transferable post against the terms and conditions of the appointment?
So for the initial non-transferable post is concerned, that was with regard to the contractual term of the appointment only. The moment he was regularized, then that part dilutes, my lord.
But even in the regularization, it is mentioned,
No, after
head
regularization-
office.
After regularization, it will be governed by the rules and regulations of the corporation, my lord.
So what is the rules and
You
regulations?
also can you look into the judgment of the Rosenwald tendon, my lord. Rosenwald tendon.
No, but where is your rules and regulations?
Yes, my lord.
This, there is, you have given two judgments. One is,
One is Rosenwald tendon, that was of 1967. That was the judgment passed by the Constitutional Bench, my lord. That has been subsequently followed by all the.
no, this one.
Yes, my lord.
This is very, I cannot read this. It's too small. You don't have a better copy? What kind of
I
a
don't-
print is this?
I'll get
It's-
the,
Huh?
I'll get the book from the library.
You get a better copy.
Yes, my lord.
I cannot read this.
The same thing has been followed in the other two judgments, my lord.
Get a better copy after some time
Yes, my lord. Otherwise, it may be taken up at 2, my lord.
at 2.
Item number 3.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, kindly pass out the matter for the day, your lordship.
Why?
My senior Mr. KK Mohanto is not well, your lordship.
Not well.
Not well, your lordship.
In this
I
post,
think I have to file a reply also, lordship.
say that
Lordship, in this case, my lord, since 2021.
you are for respondent as prayed for by Mr.
S. Gautam, your lordship.
S.
S. Gautam.
Gautam, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, relist after. Yes, 10 days. No, not September. Give a date after 10 days. A relist after 10 days on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the petitioner to file rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent way back on 5/10/2023. It is needless to be clarified that since the matter is pending in the admission stage for last several years, by way of the last chance, the rejoinder, if so advised, a rejoinder as prayed for shall be positively filed by the next date of listing. In the event the same is not filed, the matter shall be taken up for admission.
Item number 4 and 5.
Please, Lordship, some time may be granted to receive an instruction, Lordship. From long time, we are not been able to contact with them, Lordship.
Why? What is this matter?
Compassionate.
Compassionate appointment. When?
2010 only.
Huh?
2010. Exact date, your lordship.
2010.
Exact date of death.
Death of father, mother.
Father, your lordship, 19/5/2010.
19/5/2010.
5/2010.
And then when application?
Application on 18/6/2010.
Sorry?
18/6/2010.
18/6/2010.
And DLC meeting held on 13/11/2010.
13/11/10 DLC.
And
Rejected?
rejected due to lack of vacancy.
Rejected. And this writ was filed in 16. After 6 years. 5 years. Was 5 years or 6 years?
6 years.
23/5/16. Ms. Gayan, Debovrata Tiwari,
Yes,
sorry, cannot be helped.
kindly
No, no, no.
2 or 3 days.
No, 2 or 3 days. There is nothing, no instruction that you need from your client at this stage. This matter was filed in 2016. We are in 2025. The person concerned, the deceased, died way back in 2010.
Yes, that is right.
This matter, the claim of compassionate appointment is time barred.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Ms. Gayan. Heard MSA Gayan, Learned Counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Bora, Learned Government Counsel for the state respondent. Stop. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking appointment on compassionate grounds. The brief facts of the case is that it's the husband, not father. That the husband of the petitioner, where do I get his name? Please provide me the name, huh?
Yes.
So and so,
Late Bhubaneswar Datta.
died in Harnish on 19/5/2010 while he was working as junior assistant in the office of the Deputy Commissioner, Udalguri, Assam. Yes, name?
Late Bhubaneswar Datta,
Late Bhubaneswar Datta.
junior assistant.
Thereafter, the petitioner submitted an application for compassionate appointment on 18/6/2010, which was placed before the DLC in its meeting on 13/11/2010. 13/11 or 12? I think 13/12. 13/12/2010. The DLC in its meeting dated 13/12/2010
Actually, it was on 7/12/2012. DLC meeting,
Hmm.
Annexure E, page 24.
Annexure
E, page 24. Page 25 is the name of the petitioner. It was written-
24 meeting date is 7, na?
Yes,
In the meeting held on 7/12/2012.
12.
2012. And where is the rejection?
Rejection, Your Lordship.
Because here it seems she was recommended.
Recommended. That's what.
Bhanu Prabha Datta.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, page number 33, Your Lordship. The SLC
And
did
then
not
you write
approve the name.
the DLC thereafter recommended the name of the petitioner in the aforesaid meeting. Now, SLC where?
Page 33.
Page
Page 33.
33.
The SLC minutes dated, Your Lordship, on 20/12/2014.
May I please, Your Lordship, may I?
Sorry, Ms. Gayan, the time.
Yes, no, madam, may I leave? Madam?
Yes.
My junior is there.
No problem, Ms. Gayan.
Yes.
Yes, SLC where?
Page 33, under the Udalguri district head, number 17, paragraph. At the bottom, the state level committee did not approve. The DLC Udalguri recommended Bhanuprabha Datta, wife of late Bhubaneswar Das, ex junior assistant deputy commissioner office, for appointment on compassionate ground. For
Okay. This is dated?
This is dated, Your Lordship, 20/12/2014.
2012
2014.
14. Thereafter, the matter was taken before the state level committee, wherein the state level committee in its meeting on 20/12/2014 14 did not approve the name of the petitioner for appointment on compassionate ground, as the vacancy position is not indicated and has not furnished Stop. Furnished last retention. What does that mean?
In fact, in the affidavit, it is written somewhat different because in our affidavit, we have stated that the district level committee did not recommend their name as 5% vacancy is not covered.
No, but DLC too, you have seen.
That's what the lordship. In fact, it is somewhat inconsistent also at the same time.
No, then I think you take instruction,
Instruction.
Mr. Bora. This matter will not be disposed of in this fashion.
That's what
Because if it appears, you see that the DLC recommended.
recommended.
And then the SLC also approved. Only thing some vacancy. If that be so, then this may not be covered by Debabrata Tiwari.
I agree.
I don't know, like it.
Because here in the affidavit, they have stated that
It appears that it appears that though the DLC recommended the name of the petitioner for appointment and compassionate appointment, however, the SLC in its meeting dated 2012-2014 did not approve the same, as the vacancy position is stated to have not indicated and has not furnished last retention stroke permanent retention number. Affidavit.
what kind of course running page was not there in page 2, paragraph 6.
A perusal of the affidavit in opposition filed on 1/8/2016 on behalf of the respondent number 4. Paragraph
6.
It appears that in paragraph 6, the deponent has stated that the DLC did not recommend the name of the petitioner as 5% vacancy is not covered. Paragraph 6 reads as under. Page 2. Let Mr. D. Bora so and so obtain specific instruction as regards the contradictory stand as is apparent from the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the state. Relist when?
Also 2 weeks time may be granted. At the
Up
same
2
time,
weeks.
your lordship may also observe that at paragraph number 8, they said that the vacancy position of junior assistant was 5. As the vacancy position did not cover the 5% quota, that's why the
You
district
see,
level committee did not.
there has to be some responsibility when you file your affidavits.
I agree.
DLC never rejected.
Rejected.
DLC had recommended.
I agree.
DLC has recommended. So please verify. Give a date after 2 weeks.
Second. 5, your lordship, in fact, no instruction has forthcoming.
Item?
Item number 5,
Yes.
no instruction has come actually. So
5 also you as prayed for, it will have got relist after 2 weeks, date to date. Yes.
item number 6.
May I please?
Yes.
Lordship, I kindly produce order dated 19/12/24. It is a call for the records and regarding an appeal, my lord. Petitioner challenge the appointment of the respondent by for Anganwadi.
Yes, Mr. Dhar.
My lord. My lord, on 24/2, we have filed an affidavit. 24/2. Suppose, my lord, if they want to file a reply, my lord, fine. Otherwise, my lord, fix for hearing.
No, my lord, they have stated that regarding pendency of an appeal, my lord, they cannot give appointment, my lord.
My lord, that's
Regarding
fine. My lord
the
will fix this
death
for-
pendency, the
My lord,
appeal of pending before the commissioner and secretary, lordship may kindly peruse page 66, annexure M.
Which is the order you said? Some order you
Or
mentioned.
1912. 19/12/24.
My lord will just peruse the last order 10.
And thereafter 25,
10 to my lord.
25 also.
1912.
My lord, 10-2.
After that, I think the affidavits have been filed.
Five.
File, my lord, that was not disclosed there, my lord, regarding that appeal, my lord.
That's all right, but that is on there.
Lordship,
You have
Again,
filed,
there is no
you have
prejudice.
filed
Once
your
my lord
reply.
reply,
Mr.
lord-
Thor, please,
My lord,
be patient. How can the court understand if two counsels speaks together? Yes. So pleadings are complete, Mr. Counsel.
My lord.
Pleadings are complete.
Lordship, may kindly peruse page 66, annexure M,
Page
66. Annexure M. It was filed by the private response number 8. Last portion accordingly. Last paragraph. Till the commissioner and secretary to the Government of Assam Social Welfare Department takes a decision in respect.
So now they have taken any action.
No, my lord, regarding that order, interim order, my lord, I am deprived, my lord, since.
Now what has
last
happened to the
2017,
appeal?
My lord, they have not given any.
What has happened to the appeal, Mr. Thor?
my lord, on in page number 191,
Hmm?
you go by this order, my lord.
Hmm?
191.
191 of our the latest affidavit value.
Yes. 191 is 18th November.
My lord.
This is the minutes of the project. I am only asking a very specific question. What has happened to that appeal? Accordingly, with the consent and agreement of the parties, this writ petition is disposed of with a direction to the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Social Welfare to dispose of the petitioner's appeal dated 24/8/2012
That appeal.
within a period of 1 month from the date of so-and-so. Till the
And-
Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam so-and-so takes a decision, no action prejudicial to the petitioner shall be taken by respondent. Now, what has happened to this
My lord,
appeal?
since then they have.
Mr. Counsel, I'm asking, when the court is interacting, why are you interfering? Please be patient. Why are you both getting so anxious? Yes, Mr. Dhar.
My lord will peruse the order dated 10/2/25, my lord. My lord, no,
Mr. Dhar.
that is what.
Mr. Dhar, please try and understand. When a court poses a specific query, just make it short. I'm only asking what has happened to the appeal. If the appeal is still pending, say it's pending. If the appeal has been disposed of, say it has been disposed of. Why are you all taking me from pages after pages? A very simple. I have about 70 matters on board today.
My lord, there was a direction.
Please give a specific answer.
My lord, there was a direction on me by another lordship to file an affidavit bringing on this 13th September 23.
Now, have you
specific-
brought that?
Yes, my lord, that is what I have brought, my lord. There was a
You have
specific-
brought what? About the status of the appeal? I am only concerned about the status of appeal. What has happened to this appeal? What has happened to this appeal? I cannot ignore this. There is a direction of this court. This order also stands. If you don't know, say you don't know today, I will
No,
give
no,
you some
no,
time.
my lord, that is what one page 191, my lord, come there. That is what, my lord.
Yes.
In page 192, the last part, my lord.
Yes.
This says dispose of the appeal petition submitted by Puravi Devi dated 16/12/15.
Hmm.
So, my lord, this speaking order, it says that, my lord, the
It is
appeal
also.
petition has been disposed.
So this is the order. This is but at page the minutes at page 192 is the decision
Yes,
of disposing of.
yes. And that
So what has happened? Let's read this.
my lord. My lord, now this has to be challenged again. This is not under challenge.
Mr. Thor, please stop these running commentaries. I am only asking what has happened and read.
I'm trying
So
to.
just read 192. Let me understand what has happened.
My lord.
Unless you don't want me to understand, that's a different thing.
My lord, I'm just trying to assist the court, my lord.
No, whether they want to challenge, they don't want to challenge, that comes subsequent. But what has
My lord,
happened?
my lord,
Yes.
I'm reading, my lord. Whereas the Honorable High Court in order dated 31/7/23
in repetition number such and such.
I think we are not on the same page. I have 192, which is a minute.
My lord, I'm on 191, my lord.
191, there is no
Is it-
whereas.
Is an order, my lord.
This is this annexure 17. I think the pages have been,
My lord,
this is annexure 4 in my,
it is annexure 5, my lord, in my,
so I think the pages.
maybe, my lord, the running page, it got received. I'll have to correct them, my lord. The last two pages.
Yes, I've got it.
Last two pages.
I've got. The page numbers have been changed. This is 194. You see, that is why I was getting more confused.
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord, I'm sorry, my lord.
Yes. Yes, read.
So, my lord, where is the Honorable High Court?
Okay, you can also read the operating portion if you wish. I think this, whereas Shri Purobi Devi
Purobi
has been working in so and so, since so and so being selected on merit. That part, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes, my lord.
As she was placed in first position of merit list and fulfill on the eligibility criteria for selection.
Inquiry report.
So and so, moreover, inquiry performance is also
That's my Purobi Devi,
Elected.
not
is a
the
local
Constitution
resident.
area of Paschim,
She has been residing.
Kalamari, AWC, where no record has been raised out of disposal of the above mentioned appeal petition submitted by the.
So who is the petitioner?
Monica Devi.
Monica Devi. She secured second position, and therefore it says to allow the person in fur to continue. Yes.
She is outside there.
Whatever. You have any grievance, you challenge this.
No, whether they have stated the date of the appeal.
Mr. Counsel, have you understood? Is this under challenge?
Lordship may kindly.
Is this under challenge?
That appeal, that
Mr.
is,
Counsel, is this under challenge? What is under challenge here?
my lord, it is the matter since 2015, my lord. I am
Mr. Counsel, I'm not asking you that. I'm not asking you that. Have you challenged this disposal order? Because there was a judicial order for the government to take a call and dispose it of.
That appeal was still pending.
This is the order. How can you say it is pending?
Date of the appeals order, it is order, appeal date is 24/8/2012. They have mentioned another date.
No, this is 13/9/2023.
They have stated that appeal petition is dated 16/12/2015, second paragraph. Lordship, the kindly.
You file a reply next week.
Right.
Within whatever you have to say, you file it. As prayed for by Mr. So-and-so, learn so-and-so, relist for next Friday? After a week?
First week of September, madam.
A relist on such and such date to
September.
enable the petitioner to file a reply affidavit to the additional affidavit, right? To the additional affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondent on 24/2/2025.
Number 7.
Area salary.
Yes, ma'am. From 2004 to 2006, ma'am.
Yes. Affidavits have
I-
not been filed, Mr. Bora.
No.
Will
My lord, I need some time, I will obtain.
Time for what? Its matter is pending from 17.
Yes.
Area salary.
I have a
Why
prayer,
affidavits have not been filed till date? Yes.
I have a limited prayer before your lordship, my lord. Kindly dispose of my representation. Ma'am.
Yes, my lord, that may be done, my lord.
Where is the representation?
It's page 22, my lord.
Page?
Page 22. Annexure F, my lord. Page 22.
Heard Mr.
As Upadhyay, my lord.
S.
Upadhyay.
Upadhyay,
Yes.
learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Bora,
Yes. For response number 1, 2, and 3.
learned counsel appearing for respondent numbers
1
1, 2,
and 3.
and 3. Yes, Commissioner of Finance. Anyone, Finance?
Sure.
Mr. Dhar, just ask someone from the finance to be here. And so for finance. Huh? By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking release of the area salary of the petitioner for the period from 1/12/2004 to 3/1/2006. Stop. It appears that this matter has been pending since 2017 and the respondents have not filed affidavit and has not submitted return till date. It further appears that a representation has also been filed before the respondents for disposing of the for considering release of the area salaries allegedly due to the petitioner for a period from 1/12/2004 to 3/1/2006. Mr. So-and-so submits that since the matter is pending for a long time, this court may consider disposing of the writ petition at the admission stage itself by directing the respondents to consider the representation which has been filed before the respondent authorities way back on 18/9/2017. Mr. Bora does not object to the same. In view of the aforesaid endorsements made by the learned counsels appearing for the parties, and in the interest of justice, this court deems appropriate to dispose of the instant writ petition by directing the respondent authorities to consider the representation dated 18/9/2017 filed before the respondent number 2 within a period of 4 weeks from the receipt of not 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 3 weeks from the receipt of the so-and-so. It is needless to be clarified that the petitioner shall also furnish a copy of the writ petition along with the annexures and along with the annexures and the certified copy of this court's order to the respondents for doing the needful. Disposed of.
Pending item number 1.
One.
May I please use your lordship? Not an impleadment.
Yes, Mr. Dhar, you are objecting.
No, man.
Heard Mr. A.R. Bhuya, learned, A.R. Bhuya, na?
My lord.
Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A.R. Dhar, learned standing counsel, WPT and BC. Stop. By way of this application by way of this application, the petitioner is the applicant is seeking impleadment of which respondents?
Respondent 12 and 13. Required to be implemented. The union
Of
the IM.
Gagan Burman.
No, my lord.
Huh?
The Union of India to be represented by the 12 and 13.
Where do I get the name?
My lord, kindly turn to page 243, my lord.
Page?
Page 243, IM, my lord.
243.
My lord. Nowadays,
IM.
in the IM, my lord.
Page 243. What at page 243?
My lord, because nowadays we are required to give running page, my lord.
Just give me the names.
Hello.
And Sri so and so in WPC 5947/2023. It appears that the presence of the aforesaid applicants proposed respondents are essential and necessary for the effective adjudication of the writ proceeding. Accordingly, the impleadment application stands allowed. It is provided that so and so and so and so is impleaded in so and so.
Not this.
Union of India and Commissioner, National Education Society for Tribal Students, room number 1. Okay? Aru hejo tumi last paragraph of diba tade full details to diba as respondent numbers 12 and 13. Aru relevant paragraph of the application reads as under paragraph 3, 4, and 5. Tarpisot koba essential. Disposed of, let an amended cause title be submitted before the registry for doing the needful.
Obliged. Number 8.
In this case, my lord, the review department has to file an affidavit, my lord.
Yes.
No need to file affidavit, lordship, they are challenging their qualification. They say 2016 it is gone. 2016 is also the class 10 pass is required. 2018 also class 10 is.
So you're not filing,
No filing.
and you have already filed.
Yeah, file.
Are you filing any reply?
No, my lord.
All right, then I'm admitting this petition and posting it for hearing in the month of September. Heard Mr.
DA Karim.
So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned, Hendick, learned counsel, appearing for respondent number 1, M.S. R. Boro, R.B. Bora, learned counsel appearing for respondent number so-and-so and M.S. so-and-so. Just give the appearance slips. Mr. Hendick so-and-so submits that that respondent so-and-so shall not submit return in the matter. Mr. so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that the petitioner is also not filing any rejoinder to the affidavit in oppositions filed on behalf of respondent number 2, 3, and 4 respectively. In view of the above, pleading stands completed. The matter requires full-fledged hearing. Admit no formal notice as parties are represented by respective counsels. Relist for hearing in the month of October 2025 on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Number 10.
Yes.
This matter, lordship, the respondent.
Service
have
completed.
Completed, they are yet to file their at the. reply.
Stoppage of increment.
Yes, sir.
Annual increment. Yes.
This is third round of litigation, my lord. Earlier day.
Are you filing anything?
No, my lord, we have not received any instructions.
Are you going to file anything? Otherwise, I'll foreclose your right to file. So just say whether you will file or you don't file.
A week may be given, my lord. I will.
So say that if you want to file something, you have to say. Otherwise, I'm not going to assume. Heard MSL Devi, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
A.N. Sharma.
A.N. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for.
SMC Corporation, respondent number 2 and 3, my lord.
Appearing for respondent numbers 2 and 3 within bracket Assam Seeds Corporation Limited. And MS R. Boral for respondent number 1. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel, seeks, you also are going to file anything? Seeks how much time?
1 week.
Seeks a week's time to file return in the matter. Prayer is allowed. It is needless to be relist. Did you have a date after a week? It is needless to be clarified that since the matter pertains to 2019, the return shall be positively filed by the next date of listing.
Yes.
Item number 11, actually.
Yes, rejoinder, are you filing or you're not interested?
Yeah, I'm paying for a short accommodation, lordship, to take instruction from my. client.
Because last time also I think you had thought. Anyway, heard Mr.
R. Pukanda.
R. Fukan, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P.C. Goswami, learned standing counsel, UCO Bank. Stop. As prayed for by Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, relist on such and such date after 3 weeks, did you? On such and such date to file rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition, if so advised.
Not on 7 to 30. I will not be available.
All right.
Obliged.
17. Item number 12.
Yes. None appears for the petitioner on call. Heard Mr.
Yes, sir, but for responding.
So and so learned counsel appearing for respondent number
11.
11. Just give your appearance, please. It appears that there was also no representation on behalf of the petitioner on the last occasion, i.e. 24/6/2025, when the matter was last called. In view of the consecutive non-appearance of the petitioners, the writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Not surprise.
Item number 15. Item number 15, Lordship, this matter has been listed after long. It's a promotional matter, Lordship. May I plead a matter may come up on 2nd of September, Your Lordship.
But all pleadings are complete.
Things are complete, Lordship.
Then we can have it fixed for hearing.
Lordship, 1 second.
Date I will not give September. This is issue is what, Mr. Gautam? Anyway, heard Mr. N. Gautam, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
You particular, I'm appearing on behalf of senior counsel, Mr. P.K. Tiwari.
Just give your
Yes.
names, so and so, huh?
Well, let it come up in the first week of September. Well, not on
This matter, the judgment was already,
Lordship,
huh?
yes. Same reason, Lordship.
It appears that though the Mr. N. Gautam seeks a short accommodation as this matter has been relisted after hearing having been concluded and judgment being reserved suddenly today. Prayer is allowed. When do you want it?
2nd of September.
Relist.
Can it be on 3rd or 4th of September?
Lordship, 3rd or 4th, okay.
Yes, this court has no difficulty. You both just give a date.
4th of September.
May it please, Lord.
Yes, Mr. Khatoniar.
Yes, Malak. It's regarding termination of contractual employee of AFDC, Malak. Malak, can you-
Yes, Mr. Nayak.
will do.
Affidavit.
In this matter, we are supposed to file our affidavit by the AFDC, but unfortunately, the person who was supposed to sign the affidavit, Lordship, is in bereavement, Lordship. So I'm praying for some accommodation, Lordship.
Malak, can we use the order date 13/3, Malak?
But you see, if a prayer of such
I understand,
nature
Malak.
is,
I understand, Malak, but 13/3, Malak, they took 2 weeks time to file.
that's all right, but now he's in bereavement. What can be done?
Yes, that I understand, Malak. That I understand.
Heard Mr. N.J. Khatoniya, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. P. Nayak, learned additional advocate general for the state.
Yes.
Respond. Mr. So and so submits that though the affidavit was ready, you said, right? Though the affidavit in opposition as directed by the order dated
13/3.
13/3/2025 was ready. However, the same could not be filed today in view of the answering deponent being in bereavement. He accordingly seeks a short accommodation in the matter. Prayer is allowed. Relist on
Lordship.
2 weeks or 14 days.
Yes, fine. In the meantime, Lordship, we are.
Yeah, it's all ready. So give a date after 14 days. Released on such and such date.
Item number 22.
Also, this matter is pertaining to Kolkata Municipal Board, Lordship. I pray for some accommodation in the matter, Lordship, because the Anglican Council, Ms. Padkaji.
One second.
Just a minute. Milord, I'm extremely sorry. It's okay. Just. Item 15. Milord, I'm extremely sorry. Item number 15, when it was called, I was not present.
We fixed it on that.
Milord, I know. Milord, could it be, Milord, on 9th of September?
Mr. Counsel, I already told the juniors that just get a consent date.
I'm
This
very
court
sorry.
has no
9th
difficulty.
September, Milord, there won't be.
You sort it out, ask your juniors to inform the court master, you will get a date of your choice.
Very
Yes.
good, Milord.
I need some accommodation in the matter, Lordship, because the Anglican Council. Is on the
You are for the,
opposite party.
heard Mr. MP Sharma? Huh?
Yes, Lord.
Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, stop. Mr.
CKS Bora on behalf
C.K.S.
of
Bora, Leonard so and so seeks further, how much time?
3 weeks time, Lordship.
3 weeks time. But,
Lordship. Otherwise, pleadings are.
no, you were supposed to file a rejoinder, have you
I
filed?
filed it, Lordship.
Okay. You want time for what?
Because the engaged counsel lordship, her father has expired also. So the-
And then Mr. So and so submits that the engaged counsel, Mr. MP Sharma, M. Bhattacharjee, is on bereavement and accordingly seeks a short accommodation. Prayer is allowed, relist after 14 days.
Lordship, if possible, like date may kindly.
Yes, you please. Yes.
I would like.
On 15th September.
Oblige.
Item 23 and 24.
May it please me. In this matter also, my lord, argument is concluded, my lord, judgment must not deliver, my lord. My lord, kindly give some accommodation, my lord. On 11th September, my lord.
Heard, Mr.
M. Kalita, my lord.
M. Kalita. M. Kalita, date you can come up later, no problem.
M. Kalita.
M. Kalita, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. N. Gautam, learned counsel for the respondent number 6. It is submitted at the bar that since the matter has been suddenly listed today, after the hearing having been concluded and judgment being reserved, a short accommodation may be given. Prayer is allowed, relist on such and such date. Give the date.
11th.
25 and 26.
"26 in the morning, someone was making a mention, but then because of the council in 25 was not here.
I'm 25.
You are in 25.
Yes, sir.
Where is now the council for 26 gone?
So 25 and 26 similar matter, lordship.
Well, I forgot on what ground an adjournment was being sought at the morning.
The senior, due to waterlogging, he has not come. I will-
Waterlogging.
Yes, lordship. Yes, sir.
There was no waterlogging, at least my side, this, if today. Generally, there is. That's why in item 1 you were not there. All right. As prayed for by Mr. MS.
Lordship, that's newly impleaded respondent number 9 have to file affidavit. He had not been filed, lordship.
In 25.
Yes, lordship. Same, lordship.
Who is
Newly
appearing
impleaded-
for the newly impleaded respondent?
Impleadment commission, lordship.
Who is
Chair.
appearing? You see, if they're not appearing, what the court cannot force them. Give your appearances, and if there is no one for the newly impleaded, say none appears for the newly impleaded respondent number 5. And
Respondent number 9.
9.
Is SLPRB. Lordship, and Bhattacharjee is appearing for.
Even I think she is in bereavement.
Yes, lordship.
All right. As prayed for, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes.
Item 27.
May it please the lordship. The respondent has filed affidavit in opposition. In this affidavit in opposition, they have annexed one document. By that document, the grievances of the petition have already been.
So nothing survives.
Yeah.
Where? Which page?
Page 68. Annex 4.
67 and 68.
68 within.
Mr. Bora, let the petitioner first submit.
Yes, 67, 68. Good.
Yes.
The
Page
final one,
67.
The final order at 68.
1 second. You are Sarvananda Mali.
Yes, madam. Three documents are here.
Allowed to effect notionally as per the need below rule.
Yes, madam.
So it's a notional promotion.
Yes, madam.
Notional promotion.
More of the prayer.
Huh?
That's the prayer.
Yes, then which document? Page 67, then 68.
66, 67, 68. Three. This 66 is in respect of the payment for the suspension period.
suspension period. And 67 is the notional promotion. Correct? What about 68?
The promotion with effect from the date from
So
which
this is
date?
the promotion
Yeah,
order.
yes.
Okay. Heard Mr.
SK Mohanto.
So and so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. So and so learned government counsel for the state respondents. By way of this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, comma, the petitioner is seeking direction for promoting the petitioner notionally to the post of platoon commander with effect from 31/12/2009 and to the post of Subedar with effect from 5/6/2018 and pay the balance amount of full salaries from 2/6/2006 to 6/11/2007. Stop. It is submitted at the bar that the aforesaid prayers of the writ petition has already been met with. Apt in this regard to reproduce the orders dated 11/3/2024, which comma 12/3/2024 and 18/5/2024, which reads as hereunder, quote unquote, 66, 67, 68 page. Reading of the aforesaid, it is abundantly clear that nothing survives for adjudication in the writ petition. Accordingly, the writ petition stands closed and disposed of.
Number 28.
It took Iman.
Accommodation, my lord.
Some accommodation, Mr. Khatuniar.
Yes, my lord.
For what?
For filing our
Supposed to file affidavit.
Okay, as prayed for by Mr. N.J. Khatuniar, learned
Standing council.
standing council.
Secondary education.
So and so relist after
4 weeks, my lord.
not 4 weeks. 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the department file return in the matter.
Obliged.
Item 30. Item 30.
आपको मैं टेडी बोलना है.
Item 31 to 32.
AO is filed, Miss Priya.
Pleading is complete, your
Pleading is
lordship.
complete.
Yes.
This is quashing of what gradation list?
Gradation list of tourism development officer.
Then I think
Yes,
I
once heard
can
by your lordship.
admit it, huh?
Yes, yes, once heard by your lordship. Lordship, the persons, I am from BTC.
Oh, this is that.
Yes.
Well, this matter is still in the admission call.
Order, my lord, from.
I remember, but let me now post it for hearing.
Kindly have a look, order dated 22.
Mr. Counsel, I've understood. I remember
No,
that
my lord, some
two
point-
lists were there. One for BTC and for one post.
So there is no list from BTC.
There was no.
My lord,
Anyway, Mr. Counsel, this matter will need some time,
no,
right?
well, I'm not on to that, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship will see, my lord, order dated 22/4, my lord. Court made specific queries from the BTC, my lord. Next page, my lord. Yeah.
It's filed. So you've addressed this issue.
Yes.
Okay. So Ms. Bhuya, we can fix it for hearing then.
Yes, ma'am.
A short date because we have.
Heard MSB B. Bhuya, learned senior counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
J.I. Barboya.
J.I. Bhuya, learned counsel appearing for respondent numbers.
Private respondent.
Private respondents, Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel BTC and MS. Anybody there? Mr. P.D. Datta, learned counsel, huh? PB. PP Datta, learned counsel appearing for respondent numbers 9. Stop. It appears that pleadings are complete. Matter requires full-fledged hearing. Admit no formal notice as parties are represented. Relist for hearing in the month of September 2025 on a date to be fixed by the registry. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
One of the matters.
Interim order, if any.
It's there, my lord.
No, two
Operating as
matters,
a-
you said one matter
One
interim.
is operating,
So that's why I said
yes.
that.
then applies.
Item 33.
But may I pray for a date?
September, it'll come.
Come.
It'll come in the hearing. Don't worry. Any problem, you can
Make a
always
mention.
make a mention.
Method pertains to non-payment of family pension. Malab husband died in
Family pension.
the year.
Who's there for the other side? No response. No response till now.
No, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Chalya.
PNRD.
Where is PNRD? Family pension. Okay, but please come with something positive then. After some time.
34, 35, and 36.
Leave wages. Yes.
No.
Lord, last occasion, your lordship, I placed on judgment. Basically, this would require some hearing. Any next Tuesday, your lordship, if your lordship, because I have to find one judgment. I placed on last occasion. Regarding the issue is whether the petitioner as such is entitled to retirement benefits. Since he has actually given voluntary retirement, whether he is entitled to pension.
And as prayed for by Mr. D. Bora, learned Government Council, relist on which date? Tuesday, Thursday?
Tuesday or Thursday.
Yes, Lordship. In pursuance of honorable court order dated 13/5/24, they are required to explain.
So that's why he wants some
No,
time.
Lordship.
In order to respond to the query as raised earlier by this court.
Yeah.
Date after this week, next week, copy sort of.
Briefly.
37, 38.
Thank you, your lordship. In this matter, I pray for some accommodation, lordship. You have to file our affidavit, lordship.
All right. Heard Mr. S. Dale, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
PN Sharma.
B, no?
PN.
P.N. Sharma, learned standing counsel, elementary,
Lordship.
education. Stop. Mr. So-and-so seeks further
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time to file return in the matter. Prayer is allowed. Relist after 3 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry. It is needless to be clarified that the return shall be positively filed by the next date of listing, and the records as earlier was actually the record was by way of an affidavit.
Lordship, I will.
Don't say that.
39.
It is needless to open again.
May I be your lordship? So matter pertains to dismissal from service. Service is completed.
First time after
Yes,
notice.
they have no file.
Yes, Mr. Doctor.
We have appeared on behalf of respondent 1 to 5 minutes.
Yes. First time you're appearing on returnable.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. My lord, your lordship, look at the speaking order
Yes.
and the order of this honorable court at page, my lord, 45. Paragraph 12.
Yes.
If such an application is submitted within 4 weeks from today along with a certified copy of this order, the same may be looked into and acted upon as per law.
Yes.
So therefore, the speaking order will also will find
Page 48.
page 48. my lord.
Yes.
The last part, my lord.
Yes.
As per Rule 23 of LIC of India Employees Pension.
Now this is under challenge.
My lord, this is, yes.
Yes.
Now we have looked into all these things. Now pension is not amenable so far Rule 23 is concerned. And in as much as, my lord, the leave cash and cashment also, they are not entitled. So therefore, we have given a speaking order why they are not eligible.
Also prior to that, may I submit?
Huh?
Lordship, you see the paragraph 11.
11 of?
Yes, 11 of the page 45.
Just 1 second. Now the entitlements are
for special allowances, Lordship.
Special,
And leave encashment, not for any pension.
Compassionate
special
allowance.
allowances,
Lordship. Compassionate allowance.
compassionate
Yes, yes.
And
allowances and
leave encashment.
Unleave, there is unleave, encashment of.
an earlier round, the court said you
Yes.
dispose it off in accordance with law.
Yes.
That was the order, right?
Yeah, that's the order.
Now, let us read the speaking order.
Yes.
Before that, the page 45.
We'll
paragraph-
go, huh, page?
For a moment, say page 45, paragraph 11.
Yes, read.
Having regard to the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case, although this court is of the opinion that this is not a fit case, where the order of penalty of removal from services to be interfered with, yet this court is also of the view that the writ petitioner cannot be deprived of the basic service benefits, which he may be otherwise entitled to under the law, merely because he has been removed from service. Therefore, writ petition is disposed of by granting 4 weeks' time.
Very
Now-
well. So if you're entitled in law, if you're entitled in law, correct?
Lord.
Now, accordingly, now they have considered and
No, not
they
considered.
have said
They-
that you're not entitled.
They are saying that there is no any special consideration for
That
lordship.
means they are, in other words, they're saying that you're not entitled in law, Mr. Counsel. Then
Lord-
let us see the speaking order.
Yes, yes.
Read.
Whereas, page 48, lordship.
Yes.
Whereas Sri so-and-so was removed from service of Life Insurance Corporation of India in terms of Rule 39(1)(f) of LIC of India Staff Rules 1960 for irregularities in lodgement of cash and check through order dated 23/2018 by the disciplinary authority. And whereas agreed by the aforesaid order of removal of Sri so-and-so preferred an appeal to managing director. The appeal was rejected by the appellate authority through order dated 23/12/2016. And whereas Sri so-and-so filed a writ petition number so-and-so before the Honorable High Court of Guwahati, praying to quash the entire impugn departmental proceeding and to reinstate him in service with all consequential benefits and or direct the corporation to release the amount due to him against the earned leave not availed by him during his period of suspension, and pass such relief or order as the court deems fit and proper to grant full and complete relief to him. And whereas the Honorable High Court disposed of the writ petition by orders of the learned single judge dated 23/1/24, directing the petitioner so-and-so to submit proper application to the respondent corporation within 4 weeks' time from the date of the order with prayers to release all such consequential service benefits retirement benefits which the petitioner claims to be entitled under the law as a former employee of the corporation. And whereas the court further directed the corporation that if such an application is received by the corporation from the petitioner, the same is to be looked into and acted upon as per law, and appropriate steps as may be required under the rules be initiated within a further period of 8 weeks thereafter. And whereas Sri so-and-so, through his letter dated 15/24 addressed to Executive Director Personnel Disciplinary Authority, has urged for release of compassionate allowance as per LIC of India Employees Pension Rules 1995, and also for earned leave encashment. He has also pleaded for release of his pension as per rule. And whereas after carefully considering the representation dated so-and-so submitted by the petitioner, and after going through the contents of the letter, it is pertinent to mention in brief some relevant facts which are necessary for the disposal of the representation, and they are enumerated as under. As per Rule 23 of LIC of India Employees Pension Rules 1995, an employee who is dismissed, received, or compulsorily retired or terminated from service shall entail forfeiture of the entire past service and consequently shall not qualify for pensionary benefit.
All right, now it seems that the only thing that you could have got is special compensatory allowance.
That's logic.
But in order to get special compensatory allowance under Rule 33,
There's some-
special considerations,
Yes,
special case has to be made
Yeah,
out.
they're
Correct?
saying that they
Now
are.
they say that there is no special case.
But logic.
Now that is how now the court can set an appeal against that satisfaction. This is two
But-
to
But
six.
the allegation is that there are only 14,000.
No, you see, this is not a case where suppose the rules would have allowed and they have not given, yes, of course. But here it was based on their satisfaction. Can I see rule 33? Because I think the
That-
only thing is 33 now, isn't
That
it?
rule- also, I'm sorry to say that rule is not available.
Why? You see, the moment I take up a matter thinking it can be disposed of, then because of some reason, that matter cannot be disposed of.
So sorted we going to.
Why don't you all carry the relevant books to the court
Sorry,
when
that-
matters are listed for admissions? Why matters in the admission columns are being treated so casually?
So I have thought by
It is not necessary that it will be admitted and posted for hearing. Matters can be disposed of at admission stage. You must come full prepared. Yes, Mr. Datta, you have a copy of 33.
I'm very sorry.
I could not find.
But anyway,
Just to take it on Monday.
Monday is going to be a different day. Anyway, I prayed for a release on such and such date.
Nothing.
Obliged.
Hello, 40.
Yeah. You have an instruction?
Yes.
Yes, Lordship, this matter is about the release disbursement of arrears salary. And the PW department is saying that we have submitted the supplementary budget.
We are not disputing.
They are not disputing the budget yet to be approved with the finance department. The
Where is
initial-
finance?
No, they are not a party here in this case.
I have implemented them as a party, but now they are party.
They have been impleted. Notice is issued to them.
Yes, Lordship. And they have also received, no notice issued, they have received the copy only.
No, but you said they have been impleted. Where is the amended cost title?
Amended cost
Their
item.
name is not in the progress, that's why I said.
No, 1 second. Amended cost title is there.
Yes, Lord, I have submitted.
Yes, 4 and 4. Now, notice issued or not issued?
Notice not issued, Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr.
Abject Majumdar.
So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Ardhar so and so. Yes, Chalia Barpujari. Also heard Mr. R. Barpujari so and so for the newly impleted respondent number 4. Notice to respondent number 4 is dispensed as issue notice to the newly implemented so and so. Mr. So and so accepts notice on so and so. How much time? It appears that the issue involved herein is non-release of the area salary of the petitioner from 1/8/2017 to 30/11/2018 as per notification dated 3rd October 2019 issued by the Government of Assam Finance within bracket EC2 department. It further appears that the PWD, right? That the Department of PWD in their affidavit in opposition filed before this court on why the date's not given? On 7/3/2025. Paragraph.
Paragraph number, Lordship.
Stated as under paragraph 5. 5, right?
5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8. Reading of the aforesaid paragraph, it is apparent that though the PWD department has included the area salary for in their supplementary budget. However, due to non-sanction of the budget by the finance department, the same has not been able to be disbursed. Correct? In view of Mr. So-and-so, learned Standing Counsel Finance, shall obtain specific instruction as by when the aforesaid sanction can be granted. That is the information, I think. Released on, give a date. 3 weeks of the date on such and such date. But Mr. Varpujari, please get the positive instruction. Huh? Copy. And you have a copy, right? Extra copy. Within the course of the day, and let the name of Mr. So and so, Learned Standing Counsel so and so, be reflected in the cause list.
43 to 46. All the 4 cases are analogous case regarding gratuity, release of gratuity by the Assam Fishery Development Corporation.
May I please, Your Lordship, my senior is unable to appear today. He has gone for funeral.
Oh.
Kindly to understand.
A lot of bereavement and funeral going on today. This is I don't know what has happened today. Anyway, as prayed for by MS.
Petition.
So and so learned counsel on the ground that the arguing counsel for the respondent
Only submission by submission, Lordship. Lordship, petitioner is getting pension of rupees 1951.
Yes, I understand, but
short date, Lordship. Otherwise, not.
When? Friday, Monday? Monday, Miss Counsel? Monday?
Yes.
Released on Monday, Korea. As prayed for so and so, or Monday.
Publish. Number 47.
This matter pertains to my non-release of pensionary benefits. This is provisional gratuity. My lord, leave encashment and regular pension, my lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, we have received our instructions. Lordship will allow us 3 weeks' time to file our affidavit, Your Lordship.
This is a 25 matter.
Lordship.
As prayed for by MSD Mushahari, Learned Counsel appearing for
Secondary education.
Learned Standing Counsel, Secondary Education Department, relist on such and 3 weeks. Released after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the department submit return in the matter.
Right.
Item 48.
You have changed your side.
Yes, here is also my peripheral losses. For the 3 weeks time is required. So
As prayed for by Mr. UK Goswami, Learned CGC, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to submit return in the matter.
high level. 49 to 51.
Suspension.
Suspension, Lordship, no copy.
No review. Review, no review.
He was once interfered with and he was directed to be reinstated. He was reinstated.
Affidavits not filed, Mr. Gogoi, till now?
No.
Huh?
There's an issue, my lord.
Lordship, let me start your Lordship.
All right, let Miss Bhuya first. Yes, Miss Bhuya.
I was placed under suspension by the order dated 13/7/2023. Lordship, and I checked.
13/7/2023. Yes.
Then I was reinstated by this by the order passed by this honorable court. By the order dated 24/7/2024.
24/7/2024.
24/7/2024.
This is the order of reinstatement.
Yes.
This is available at page?
At page 42 to 48. This
Yes.
honorable court interfered with my order of suspension.
Right.
Then for the second
Where
time.
is that order?
Lordship,
Page?
I
Just give me
mean,
the
how
page.
to do at
Just give me the page.
42 to 40.
No, the order of this court whereby
Order of the
your
court.
suspension was interfered.
7/2024.
Page?
Page 48.
48.
Yes.
Okay, then?
Then I was reinstated back into my service, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, then I was again placed under suspension, which is at page 53 to 54.
This is now under challenged.
That is now under challenge. There's 2 parts. I have filed 2 writ petition. One against the order of suspension and the other one against the non-furnishing of the copy of the inquiry report, my lord. 2 writ petitions.
Inquiry is completed.
It was in my favor. I don't know whatever is the contents of the inquiry. They have opted
So
for
the
fresh
second
inquiry.
writ is
Yes.
non-furnishing.
Yes. And those two writ petitions, I have got interim order in my favor. And this honorable court, Lordship, by the order dated 10/4/2025, Lordship may kindly have a look at page 56 to 58, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, page 58, accordingly till the returnable date, the impugned order dated 28/2025 shall remain suspended. However, the respondent authorities are at liberty to approach the court for modification of this order as learned standing
This
counsel.
order 325 is what order?
10/4/2025.
Huh?
10/4 at page 57.
No. At page 58, that impugned order that has been referred.
Yes.
Which is
that
this impugned order?
50/2025.
Yes. By this, what has happened?
By this, I was placed under suspension.
Suspension. So
and
that's
they have
okay.
opted for, like, they have.
All right.
That was
Understood.
stage.
Understood.
Yes, my lord. But in spite of the honorable court's order, it was passed in the year, on the month of April. We are in mid August. As of date, they have, Lordship, they have not complied with. So I have filed this contempt application 291. It is item number 15, my lord.
No, but in this you are seeking what?
This writ petition.
This I am holding 3247.
3247, your lordship, there is order a prayer to set aside and quash the direction issued by the disciplinary authority to conduct a further inquiry against the petitioner.
Yes, I think affidavits will be required.
Lordship, my urgency is I'm retiring on 39/2025, next month. And they have not, as of date, reinstated me back into my service. Lordship may in
Why that order has not been followed, Mr. Gogoi?
My lord, kindly see order dated 18/6/25.
Where?
In this 3247.
Yes,
My
18.
lord, that's there. The limited prayer was to give him the inquiry report. What has happened, my lords? We are disagreeing with the inquiry report furnished by the inquiry officer. We are going for de novo.
Mr. Counsel, but even if you disagree, before you disagree, a copy must be given.
Yes,
correct?
should be given.
So that copy is given or not given?
Well, I have
Not
to.
given.
Because
My
if that
instruction-
copy is not given, then the entire things will have
Yes,
to be
ECIL
back.
judgments, your lordship, in violation
That
nature.
I think I have also authored one
Yes.
judgment in that
I know.
regard. Correct?
And that apart, my lord, and my lord.
You
can
see,
come to-
agreement, disagreement is your prerogative.
Yes.
Mr. Gogoi, that is your prerogative. But before you take a decision, before you take any decision, you must first give a
No,
copy.
I know.
Correct?
Yes.
Now you see, why do you have to give a copy? You have to give a copy so that after the reply is given, you take a decision. But suppose you disagree first, then what is the use of giving the copy?
My lord,
Where is the fairness?
My lord, I understand. I appreciate what lordship has stated.
Correct?
My lord, then that report, what had happened, my lord, there was no complete non-exonerated. He was not exonerated. It was partially proved. And regarding
Now,
this,
even if suppose
now,
it
my lord,
was
we are in the
partially
process of reinstating him. What has happened? The file has went to the judicial department. We are asking back the file.
Lordship, I pray for personal appearance of the respondents, my
Ms. Priya, one second.
lordship.
It refers to communication, my lord, to the LR. Asking back the file to process, to reinstate him.
By when can it be done? Monday? Reinstatement.
Lordship will take it after some time. Take it after some time.
Get the information. Otherwise,
No, my lord.
it may not be
my lord,
taken
my-
lightly.
Appreciate
Because
that.
there is a
That means I'm
contempt
assisting the
case, contempt case is also pending.
No, my lord.
So you, Mr. Gogoi, just find out
Yes.
how much time the
Yes, yes.
reinstatement
My
process
lord
is.
still appreciate one thing, my lord.
Yes, you are assisting the.
I'm assisting the court. Notice have not been.
Very well.
Now, my lord.
Very well.
They have not received any notice.
This court is always mindful of the assistance that the officers of the court provides.
You've taken
After some
nasty
time.
steps.
After
It
some
is complete.
After some time.
Item number 73.
Please, your lordship. My lord, the petitioner, your lordship, are employee of NF Railway Miller. And what happened, my lord, they have found medically unfit for RPF.
This is 70. 1 to 73.
Three.
Yes.
But they are found medically fit for C categories of job.
They were?
C category and C and below middle.
What is the prayer in the writ petition?
My lord, I have been posted as a cook. That has been challenged.
You are challenging
Yes.
your posting as cook.
Cook.
What according to you should have been posted as?
What happened? I have undergone a surgery, my lord.
Hmm.
Still the rod is in my body, my lord. And
Huh?
that rod, my lord, is still in my body. So I am not able to perform the duties of cook, my lord, at this stage. That's why I prayed, my lord, before the authority. But
You
they
prayed
are
for what?
for alternative job, my lord.
Any representation you had filed?
Yes, my lord, I have filed. That is at page 15, Annex D, my lord.
Your initial appointment was what?
RPF constable.
They were
Decategorized.
and offered them a job of cook as per our policy, Lordship.
Now, probably he has a problem in standing and cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
I think that is what he is trying to protect.
As per our master circular, Lordship, there was only for decategorization will come to cook only, Lordship, not decategorize. Otherwise, there are no other vacancies.
So Roy, try and find out if anything can be done. Otherwise, we can also direct disposal in accord for the representation. If
Representation considered, but his alternative post for that representation was never there, Lordship.
that's why, if suppose he gives that representation, if we can consider, if you can consider, we can dispose it of in that manner.
That-
Because it is only that,
Only that.
Very limited.
and it's a human angle
But as per
involved.
policy, Lordship.
Because I think it's an admitted, yes, of course, Mr. Roy, you are bound by your policies. I'm
Yes.
not saying that go against your policies.
Lordship.
What I'm trying to say is that explore if an alternative post can be also given in accordance with law.
Lordship.
Just have a look at that,
Lordship.
because that is all required.
Yes, my lord.
You know, sometimes you have to
Yes, I understand,
you
Lordship.
see, address the issues with a human touch also,
Lordship.
right?
Lordship.
Mm.
Let it be, Lordship. After 2 weeks, Lordship, I will have the instruction.
I was thinking next week.
Next week, Lordship.
My lord, for the last
Some
5 months, we are without salary, my lord.
have some difficulties, Lordship.
Mr. Counsel, please appreciate the
Yes.
rules may not be with you. Now, we are only trying to help your situation. So just,
I will file.
yes, Mr. Roy, how much?
Lordship, on 26 or 27, Lordship.
As per for so and so. I have not stated this, but that is the, or should I say it? It is,
That observation may be given.
yes, Mr.
I repeat.
So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that though he has been posted in the post of cook, however, due to the surgery undergone, and he is finding difficulty in performing the job of a cook and accordingly is seeking for an alternative posting. Upon appointed query being raised, it appears that no representation to the said effect has yet been filed before the authorities. Mr.
My lord, I have already filed one. Annexure D.
You filed.
Yes.
Okay, here to cut it here. Mr. Roy seeks a short accommodation to apprise the court if the representation filed on such and such date,
2020.
such and such date for giving alternative posting to the petitioner can be considered on such and such date. Go ahead.
Yes, Lordship.
The next two items is also same, my lord.
Similar.
Apprise the status to the court.
Only they have undergone eye surgery.
And the next two also same eye surgery. Okay.
Yes, obliged.
You check up if it can be disposed of. We shall dispose it of, Mr. Roy.
Lordship.
Yes.
Obliged.
27. Item number 74.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, 74, the instructions are awaited, your lordship. Lordship will give us
Okay.
3 weeks here.
As prayed for by Mr. D. Mushar, MS D. Mushari, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the respondent to file to submit return in the matter.
We have already sanctioned the GPF amount.
That's all right. Let her obtain the instructions.
Obliged.
In the Mr. B. Sharma, Learned Standing Council, Learned Council for representing the Accountant General submits that in the meantime, the GPF amount has already been sanctioned. So you find out then what is to be done. Okay, Mr. Chaudhary? Date, yes.
Once the 16th September.
Obliged.
Time being item number 30. May I please, your lordships?
Yes.
In this case, your lordships, I have challenged the appointment of private respondents.
Affidavit in opposition has been filed, Mr. Jha.
Filed by the private respondent.
What about BTC?
BTC has not filed, your lordship.
BTC is there, na, in this matter?
Yes, yes, your lordship.
Yes, BTC.
And record is also required, your lordship.
Where is BTC? I think initially when it was called, probably you were not there.
You're
I think someone is there. Mr. Chalya? Because I think the affidavit, they will take time. So if I know how much time they want, I could have just passed you on. Find out.
Yes, Lord.
And probably records also required. Yes. Mr. Judge, just wait for 5 minutes. Mr. Chalya, just get the information. Yes.
Time being item number 33.
Yes.
Similar matters, we have already filed review. So it will be listed shortly.
Along with.
Not.
Here that same affidavit will cover.
No, no, no.
No, Lord.
Then you have not filed any affidavit here.
That's it.
Have you filed?
Not filed.
Correct.
That's a will file.
No, you don't want to file. I don't want to insist. We can decide the matter on pleadings also.
But
If you
similar-
don't dispute, we'll admit it will stand admitted.
But we have already filed review.
You have filed review.
In another case.
Another cases. Similar.
Oh, you filed review.
That's it.
But it is already finalized.
Finalized.
Last time you said you were contemplating filing.
Ah.
Now you have the number.
That's it. Review petitions number have 9929.
So this review is against what? Against an order where the prayer sought in this petition has been granted.
No, my lord. Another case, my lord. Another whole issue, my lord, kindly read
Whether old pension or new pension.
pension.
And there is already some order of this court.
Formal. And division bench also, my lord, affirmed that judgment of the.
Now,
judgment.
against the division bench, there's a review.
And, my
So
lord,
then I think we'll keep this matter. Let's see what happens, Mr. Padgiri.
then, my lord, apex court also, my lord, remand back the matter, my lord.
So that is how the review is perhaps. Maybe Apex could remand back, giving them the liberty to file a review. But give me the review number. Heard Mr. K.R. Padgiri, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard M.S.N. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel. Learned Standing Counsel PNRT. Stop. MS so-and-so submits that a review has been filed against the order passed in the IA. Against the IA.
IA 237/20.
Against the IA.
IA 237.
Against the IA 237.
/225.
Oblique
2025.
2025. Stop. Which is being numbered, registered and numbered as.
Review petition number 9929/2025.
It is a serial number, my lord, not.
She said review petition number.
That's it.
No serial.
Filing number, review petition number.
Filing number.
So and so. Relist after 3 weeks. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by the learned counsels, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by registry. All right.
For orders, item number 52.
Why is this for orders? Why is the matter listed for orders? Service completed, not completed?
My lord, I am
Yes,
appearing on behalf of SP.
just 1 second. Mr. Sharma, you are Mr. Sharma?
Deka, Saran Deka.
Huh?
I'm Mr. Deka, Saran Deka.
It appears that petitioner was required to do, have you seen the office note of 27/6/2005? Have you seen the office note?
No, I have not seen it.
Why? The matter is listed for orders. You should have seen the office note. This court cannot be now reading out the office notes for the benefit of the councils. You must be reading the office note and assist the court. It's going the other way now. Looks like that you were supposed to take some instructions. When the instant matter was listed again before the Lawazima court on 28/5/2025, the said Lawazima court was pleased to allow the petitioners further 1 week time to comply with the Lawazima court's order dated 16/5/25. However, no one has appeared on behalf of the petitioner. And this is for 6/7/89. Anyone appearing for 6/7/89? Yes. You are supposed to obtain the proper address. In fact, on the last stage, on the last date before Lawazima, there was no representation on behalf of the petitioner. The note of the Lawazima court is, in view of the observation made above, it may be discerned that the petitioners may not be interested to pursue the case. And this is why the matter was listed before this bench today. And now you don't even know what has happened.
My lord,
Very
actually-
unfortunate. Yes.
My lord, actually, most of the aspirants are not available now in office.
You have impleaded them as parties. You need to do. Anyway, as prayed for by Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the writ petitioner, relist after 2 weeks to enable the petitioner to take fresh steps by furnishing proper addresses of the respondent number 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Huh? By furnishing proper addresses. If you don't do it, it will get dismissed. And you are appearing for a respondent. Mr. So-and-so appears for 3, 4, and 5. There was another person who just came, your junior. And you are for 1 and 2. Huh? Fresh steps within 3 days, Mr. Counsel. 3 days you obtain, I'm giving you a week's time. You obtain the proper address and you take the steps.
So, my lord, they are-
If you cannot, then file an affidavit.
So, my lord, one prayer. Petitioners are residing in far distance place. So it may not be possible for the 7 days. So it may be made 15 days.
3 weeks, good. All right.
Time being item number 49 to 51.
My lord, the communication which I placed on, actually it was the proposal for reinstatement. It is under examination by the LR. Lordship I'll require perhaps 10 days time, my lords.
7 days time.
Independence Day.
You can let her get that instruction, because if it is done, it will be benefit.
That's true, Lord.
Correct.
I'm retiring on 39. Order passed in my favor in the month of April.
See, for that, your contempt is still pending. We are not disposing your
I know.
contempt right now. But if they are going to do it,
Unless,
let
the
us
Lordship,
see.
if they don't. do it,
when do you want it, Mr. Gogoi?
Next Thursday, my.
That will be what date? 21st. Heard MS B. Bhuiya, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. P. Bhomik, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, Forest Department. Mr. Gogoi submits that the petitioner, that a proposal for reinstating the petitioner is under process. And accordingly seeks posting of this matter on
November 28th.
21st.
21st.
20th or 21st?
21st, my lords. 21st.
Today is Wednesday.
All right, 20th, Miss Bhuiya wants 20th.
21st, because my lord, this
1 day.
15 August here and there, my lords. I know what will happen.
Lordship, if they
Working
don't
days.
comply with the order. let them take-
21st, so and so. It is needless to be clarified that if the if instructions as if the requisite instructions do not follow, is not placed before this court on the next date of listing, necessary orders as required shall be passed.
Lordship, may I pray? Order was for.
Yes, Ms.
reinstatement.
Priya, necessary orders on that date.
Obliged.
I just think this way.
The contempt matter of 2017 matter, they are not complying.
Still not complying.
No,
17 matter.
my,
Yes, Mr. Khatoniar?
Fact, can you, this is the last order, Malad.
Opportunity last given.
Yes, Malad.
Yes.
Though, Malad, on last occasion, I have submitted that there is instruction to file a review, Malad. Review is till date.
Mr. Counsel, please don't make that submission before this court.
I understand, Malad.
You want to file review, you don't want to file review, that's your prerogative. As far as this court is concerned, there is an order of this court passed on 7/2/2017, which is alleged to be which is allegedly not complied till date. Either you file your, by now you should have filed it. Since you're not filing it, then have your officer present on the next date. Yes, please write. Heard,
the proceeding may be drawn up against them.
heard Mr.
A.K. Maheshwar.
A.K. Maheshwari, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. N.J. Khatoniar, learned counsel appearing for the respondent stroke contender numbers 3 and 4. Stop. It appears that despite this matter alleging non-compliance of the judgment and order passed by this court on 7/2/2017 in WPC number 680/2016 is pending since 2017. No show cause, no affidavit on behalf of the contemners have been filed till date, despite receiving notice from this court. Mr. So-and-so was given one last opportunity by this court on 23/7/2025 to come up with appropriate instructions. However, today on call, Mr. So-and-so further seeks for further time. Be that as it may, relist this matter, give a date after 1 week on such and such date. In the event no instruction in the event no affidavit or positive instruction is submitted on the next date of listing, the concerned respondent stroke contemners shall be personally present in the court.
What is the date?
27. 27.
Lordship, I'm sorry.
1 second. Yes.
Continue 49 and 51, interim orders operating as a.
Interim, if any. All right.
Item number 55.
May it please your lordship. Here, my lord, respond number 3 and 4 were newly appointed. Accordingly, I have taken steps, my lord. Kindly see office note dated 10/1/2025.
It's still awaited.
Awaited, my lord.
All right. Await service in respect of the newly implemented respond number 3 and 4. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Next is same, my lord.
Next also same.
Same,
3 and 4.
same.
Okay. Same, huh?
Alien.
Number 57.
Where is the petitioner? Yes, Mr. Kaushik, what about affidavits?
Affidavit, my lord, will give me 2 weeks time, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, from the respondents end, my lord, all steps has been taken for compliance. Now it is
But you
because
file your affidavit.
I'll file my
None appears for the petitioner on call, Mr. B. Kaushik, right?
my lord,
Learned counsel appearing for the
respondent. So
respondent stroke contemptor seeks 2 weeks time
2 weeks.
to file necessary return in the matter. Prayer is allowed, relist so and so.
Great.
58.
Maybe.
Steps, what
Yes.
happened?
Yes, my lord, we have filed a additional affidavit my lord, after serving the justice service to the respondent number 8. my lord. So service is my lord completed upon all the respondents.
Completed.
Yes,
R8.
8 also, my lord. We have filed additional application, my lord. Bring you on record.
That additional affidavit, I think, is not on record.
It was filed on 14/7/2025.
আছে জানো? আহা নাই না? Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that an additional affidavit has been, affidavit of service in respect of respondent number 8 has been filed on 14/7/2025. However, the same is not on record. Let registry verify and place the same on record. Yes, Mr. Khatonia, you are for?
I am for respondent number 1, my lord. So I'm seeking some time to file our.
I think let us have this matter. Okay. In the meantime, no, don't say no. Mr. N.J. Khatonia, who enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 1,
Yes, ma'am.
seeks 2 weeks
2 weeks, madam.
time to file return in the matter. Prayer is allowed, released after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
59. Oh, no. Contempt 50. Sorry, 58. minute. Oh, mostly.
Please, your lord.
Any confusion, Mr. Khatonia?
Sorry, my lord. It was 59. I'm appearing in, I don't know, 59, my lord. In any case, my lord, it's a secondary matter. I can appear in 58 also.
Okay, now this is 59.
59.
Yes.
I'm representing in 59. ma'am.
Yes, fresh steps upon R2. Is it done?
Lordship done. Already done, Lordship. And office note, Lordship, 1 for 2025.
Okay. Await service in respect of R2.
R2, Lordship.
You are for whom, Mr. Khatonia?
R1, my lord.
Mr. N.J. Khatonia, learned counsel appearing on behalf of respondent number 1, seeks 3 weeks time to file written in the matter. Right?
Yes, my lord.
Prayer is allowed, released after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
60.
Because it makes no sense for waiting the steps to be completed and then giving him time. Let that affidavit come.
Lordship.
60 also I'm praying for 2 weeks.
Same.
60, your Lordship, both the respondent is high local number.
Are?
1 and 2.
So service complete.
Service complete.
All right. Heard Mr. U. Sharma. No, sorry.
DC Nath.
DC Nath, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. N.J. Khatonia, learned standing counsel.
Yes.
Element.
For contempt normal.
Sorry, it's contempt. Learned counsel appearing for the contemners. Both?
Yes, madam.
Mr. So-and-so seeks how much time?
3 weeks, madam.
3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition in the matter. Prayer is allowed, released after 3 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry.
2 weeks. Just to continue matter is 5.
2 weeks. Mr. Khatonia,
Yes.
put it.
My lord,
Yes.
in view of the notification dated 17/8/2024, matter has begun with first.
Instructions. Which notification?
Notification, my lord, I challenge the transfer of my transfer, and that's number 7 was the.
Okay.
The
Heard
number 7
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel. Please give your appearances and so-and-so. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India,
Question number 8.
the petitioner is challenging the notification dated 28/2/2024
This transfer will effective in terms of the guidelines of the Election Commission.
and allowing the petitioner thereof to work as BEO at Ramakrishna Nagar Education Block in the district of Karimganj. Stop. Mr. So-and-so submits that during the pendency of the writ petition, in view of the notification dated,
18,
where is the date?
last page, madam.
Dated 17/8/2024. The matter has become infructuous.
Because
In view of the aforesaid endorsement, the writ petition stand dismissed on being infructuous. This notification you take back.
60.
Yep.
Here for respondent number 3.
Yes.
Respondent number 2.
I've received the instruction. My instruction is complied with. My friend says it was not complied. So let me file my affidavit, Lord.
Okay. As prayed for by Mr. S.S. Roy, learned CGC, relist after
Respondent number 2.
respondent number 2, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Much obliged. May I please the losses?
Yes.
Is it page 12? Relevant person start page 27.
You are filing any affidavit?
We are going to file. We are going to file.
When?
Within 2 weeks.
Yeah, the case is relating to my.
Yes, but they have to
entire-
file an affidavit.
That's
This is the second time, I
Yes, sir.
think.
Yes, Lordship.
25 matter, all right. Last chance, huh?
Lordship, there is a mismatch in the Wakalatnama because of that.
Huh?
I only
I
mention-
cannot hear you. You don't come forward. Just speak in front of your microphone.
Lordship, actually, the respondent number 2 only showing. So we are filing for respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
They are
So we
appearing all
file for again.
for all the respondents, Lordship.
Are you appearing for all?
All the
Okay.
respondents.
As prayed for by Mr.
Everyone.
So and so learned counsel appearing for all the contemnor stroke respondents, relist after 3 weeks to enable the respondents file return in the matter. It is needless to be clarified since since several adjournments have already been taken, the return shall be positively filed by the next date of listing.
Hello, sir. I beg fixing a date, Lordship.
It'll come, it'll come. Yes, next.
May I please your Lordship? Similar, another matter was last listed on 11th of August. So this matter may be tagged with this.
All right, as prayed for, relist along with WPC number 4277 of 2023.
Contempt, my lord, contempt.
Oh, sorry.
Contempt 210 of 25.
Pala?
Highly obliged.
55 to 67.
May I please also? This is a service complaint also. There is a large amount of also.
No one is appearing.
Service is also.
Heard Mr.
Gogoi.
D. Gogoi. So and so. Huh? Mr. Upamani, you are appearing for all.
For the higher education department, not for all, Lordship. In
Okay,
item.
okay. Also heard Mr. I. Borthakur. Sorry, D. Upamanyu Leonard Standing Council.
Yes, Lordship, higher education.
Higher education within bracket respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, Lord.
Correct?
Yes.
Office note dated 26/2025 indicates that service in respect of respondent number 4 stands complete. However, there is no representation till date. Yes, you want time or you have already filed?
No, Lordship, I want time, Lordship. One more thing, Lordship. In item, Lordship, 67, that is Topon Kumar Busha 1854 of 2025. I am appearing for respondent number 1 and 2.
So don't specify the respondent, say for the correct. Arohi, the other respondent is number 4 in all the respondents?
3 and 4.
3 and 4.
In 67, 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Then you say that's a private respondent?
Yes.
Yes,
Say
Lord.
private respondent.
Principal.
It eligible. And you will file something?
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so, further 6, don't say further, 6 for
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks time to file return in the matter. Prayer is allowed. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. It will automatically come now. Service is complete.
Highly obliged.
Highly obliged.
68.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Then IA is for what? Also heard so and so and relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Item number 69. Please, your Lordship. My lord,
Yes, Mr. Roy Chaudhary.
As per the office order, the service is complete as regards.
125.
One.
Heard Mr. P.K. Roy Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Stop. Office note dated 23/7/2025 indicates that service of notice upon respondent numbers 1 to 5 stands complete. However, there is no representation today when the matter is till date. All right, we'll fix it on another date. Relist after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Supplementary is item number 75.
Then I. None appears for the applicant on call. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. You good? Yeah.
Time being item number 30.
Yes, BTC, no?
Yes.
What happened? You couldn't find? Heard Mr. Your initial, I forgot. NN. Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. None appears for the respondent BTC on call. Anyone else is there? No.
Your private respondent is there.
It appears that though affidavit opposition has been filed on behalf of the private respondent, on behalf of respondent number 5, however, the returns on behalf of the BTC is still awaited. It further appears that relist on such and relist after 3 weeks on a date. Okay, relist after 2 weeks on such and such date. It is needless to be clarified that if no return is filed by the next date of listing, the matter shall proceed in accordance with law.
Item number 2.
Yes, Mr. Shekhar.
Yes.
Roshan Lal.
Yes, sir.
This is paragraph.
I marked it.
Okay.
On last but one page.
Yes. I think 6.
Yes, Mr. Paragraph 6.
Yes, please read.
I will mark that portion.
It is true.
It is true that the origin of the government service is contractual. There is an offer and acceptance in every case. But once appointed to the post of or office, the government servant acquires a status and his rights and obligations are no longer determined by the consent of both parties, but the statute or the statutory rules which may be framed and altered unilaterally by the government. In other words, the legal position of the government servant is more one of a status than of contract. The hallmark of status is the attachment to a legal relationship of rights and duties imposed by the public law and not by mere agreement of the parties.
So basically, in short, if suppose one person is also appointed on a contractual or on probation or on a basis of agreement,
yes, sir.
Whatever those terms may be, tomorrow when the concerned officer gets regularized to a regular post,
yes,
then the statute would prevail.
Yes,
this is what you want to say, correct? Yes. So therefore, according to you, the head office, which was the post to which he was initially appointed, that being for a contractual only, upon being regularized, now the rules existing rules will follow.
Yes.
This is what you want to say, right, Mr. Shekhar? Yes.
And this is followed by subsequent decision of the Supreme Court. The other two decisions that I have given. I marked that.
Yes, 1 second. I have the entire second half for you. So go slow. Upon yes, next case.
Next is the 2006 case. The same rule has been followed in this case also. I marked the paragraphs. It is there in the first page itself from bottom line.
They followed Roshan Lal.
Yes, they followed the Roshan Lal. The Roshan Lal is a constitution based judgment. The relevant portions of paragraph 14
Yeah, I've seen. And 17.
and 17.
The rights and obligations are not determined by the contract of the two parties, but by statutory rules which are framed by government in exercise of powers conferred by Article 309 of so and so, and the service rules can be unilaterally altered by the rule-making authority, namely so and so. There is no dispute that so and so was engaged on fixed or engaged or hired on contract to work as so and so for a period of 6 months till a candidate selected by UPSC on regular basis, whichever was earlier. The contract further stipulated that even if a regularly selected so and so did not join, shall stand relieved on the expiry of 6 months. Yes. The next is also similar.
Next is also there.
Paragraph
Paragraph
14.
14, Millard, yes. Second part, Millard.
Yes.
As we have already said that CUPGL, even if taken to be a state within the meaning of Article 12 of the Constitution, this by itself would not mean that the participant can claim status of a government servant or holding a post of government by status. Nature of engagement appointment of petitioner is not to be governed by status, but by a contract of service entered into between the master and servant. A distinction between an appointment under contract or status was noticed and explained by Supreme Court in Rosenlaal Tandon and Union of India, so and so. Court held that when a matter is governed by status, the employee has no vested contractual rights in regard to the terms of service, but where employment is purely the realm of simple contract of employment, it is strictly governed by terms and conditions of the employment settled between the parties. To remind the difference between the status and contractual appointment, we may take up the case of government servant. Origin of the employment in a government department is contractual. There is an offer and acceptance in every case. But once appointed to the post of office, the person appointed, that is government servant, acquires a status, and his rights and obligations are no longer determined by the consent of both the parties, but same are governed by the statute or statutory rules which may be framed or altered unilaterally by the employer, that is the government. Legal position of the government servant thus is more one of a status than a contract. The hallmark of status is that the attachment to a legal relationship of rights and duties must be by the public law and not by mere agreement of parties. The relationship between the government employer and government servant is not like an ordinary contract of service between the master and servant. The legal relationship is something entirely different, something in the nature of status. In the language of jurisprudence, status is a condition of membership of a group whereof powers and duties are exclusively determined by law and not by agreement between the parties concerned. Thus, where appointment and conditions of service are governed by statute, relationship of employer and employee is that of a status and not of a contract. It follows the same line in Roshan's case, Lord.
Yes. Now, before I go to the facts, you should show me what the rules. 47 says member of service shall be transferable.
Yes.
Right. Member of the service shall be liable to be transferred in the interest of the corporation if the appointing authority so decides. I think that is one you are relying.
Lord, will kindly turn to page 51, Lord.
Page?
That is page 17 of the rules, Lord.
Yes, I am in page 17.
Yes. The rule 12 is the general consensus
Yes.
service, Lord.
Yes. I'm just marking in your book. This is your book or this is?
This is mine.
I'm just
Yes,
making a
your
pencil
lordship-
mark.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
keep that. Your Lordship will kindly turn to the next page, page 52.
7.
Rule 7.
Yes, I've read it, Mr. Shekhar. I've read
It
it.
says that a member
Transferable
they
and
can
to
be
any
transferred
post in
to
the
any
interest of the corporation.
in the interest of the corporation.
I've read it. And what is the other flag? Where there are two flags. Which is this flag? Class 2. What is class 2? This is which post?
This is a deputy manager. Grade 2, class 2.
Grade 2. Warehouse manager.
Where warehouse manager and deputy manager, they are in the same category, my lord, class 2.
Okay. Okay, okay. Area manager and deputy manager.
Yes, it is there in page 54, my lord.
No, page 7.
Yes, page 7, my lord.
Correct.
Yes. Classification post. Area manager, deputy manager, and warehouse manager, they are in the same category, my lord.
Yes,
Class 2
yes.
officers, my lord.
Now, let us see that regularization order once again. Let's go back to the facts because that is all you want to show from the rules.
Yes, my lord.
And these rules are framed under what? What are these? Staff regulations. In exercise of powers in 42 of the Warehousing Corporation Act. Statutory regulations these are. Now, page 24 is the advertisement, right?
Page 26 is the regulation order.
One sec, 24 is the advertisement.
Yes, my lord. That's for a contractual period, my lord.
On contractual basis. Yes. Then page 25 is his,
That is the initial order, my lord.
engagement order.
Engagement order for contractual period of 6 months. At the time, he was paid a fixed lump sum of 25,000.
This is for 6 months, right?
Initially, it was for 6 months. Then subsequently, it was extended.
Extended.
From time to time.
Yes. Then
came the page 26 is the regularization order.
regularization. Read this, please.
In pursuance to the decision of the Board of Directors in a meeting held on 4th of December 2020 at ASWC head office, Sri Navasati Mishra, who was engaged as Deputy Manager, Finance in ASWC on contractual basis on 10/8/2017, is hereby regularized as Deputy Manager, Finance, subject to discharge without notice and assigning any reason thereof under Finance and Accounts branch of Assam State Warehousing Corporation, the scale of pay of so-and-so and grade pay of so-and-so per month, plus other allowances as may be admissible under the rules of this corporation. The appointment is subject to satisfactory police verification of character and antecedents and physical fitness certificate from the
All right. Yes. Then comes 27. This is the posting.
This is
Transfer. This is under challenge.
This is under 7.
Okay. Now show me that records the other day you had shown. And then there was an affidavit, na?
Yes, my lord.
Page 68 you had shown, na? Page 68 you had shown, no? That as head office, what was that? Why 68 was annexure 9? They have shown. Okay.
Which one? My lord?
Okay, this is for showing the vacancy position, I think. Anyway, your in your Mr. Shekhar,
Yes, sir.
in the affidavit in opposition that you have filed, which are the paragraphs that you are relying? Just give me the paragraph numbers. The other day, I think you had shown me.
Yes, my lord.
Or was it an additional affidavit?
No, no.
This affidavit only,
This
na?
affidavit, yes, my lord. Paragraph number 7.
7 onwards?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
7, 8, 9.
7 to?
7 onwards, my lord.
All right.
Lordship, You're also asking about page 58, annexure 7.
Yes. Okay, I understood that.
That is the extension order of the
Yes.
person who has retired. my lord.
Yes, I've understood. Now here, this is the note, right?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. You want to say something in reply?
May I submit, Lordship?
Yes.
I have been appointed, Lordship, initially as Deputy
Dekho.
Manager Finance, Lordship.
Mark, pending আছে নেকি?
Deputy Manager Finance, Lordship.
Uh,
And as no suitable candidate was available, Lordship, at the warehouse, Lordship Corporation.
one second. This won't be done. Oh. Yes.
As no suitable candidate was available, Lordship, at the warehouse corporation, Lordship. So
See,
advertisement.
now it's not a rehearing.
Yes.
Now you're only giving reply, correct? Now, so therefore, just address this part, because what Mr. Shekhar is trying to impress upon this court is that it is he admits that yes, as long as you are under you are serving in the warehouse corporation as a contractual employee,
Lordship.
your posting remains in the head office.
Lordship.
He is not disputing that position. But what he's trying to say is that because you have now been regularized, therefore the conditions of the contractual appointment is no longer valid. Now the conditions that is applicable to a regular employee of the warehouse corporation
Lordship.
as per the existing rules would apply. And in order to show that, he has referred to that rule, right? Which says this is a transferable post.
Lordship.
Now, if it is a transferable post, with that, obviously, one can be transferred.
Lordship.
Now, that, of course, if a case is made out that it is malafide, arbitrary, against rules, this court can go into it.
Lordship.
But if this court finds that it has been done in terms of exigencies of service, this court shall not go into it. Now, if I have understood you correctly on the other day, your case is not about malafide, arbitrary exercise of power. Your case was very specific that my terms and condition of my engagement, advertisement, and regularization is that I shall be in the head office.
Lordship.
Posting is fixed in the head office,
Lordship.
right?
Lordship.
And so you have said, since it is a non-transferable post, therefore the question of transferring you out of the head office does not arise. This was your argument.
Lordship.
Now, how do you counter to this? Because you are now regularized.
Lordship.
Regularization's order means that now you're a regular employee of the corporation.
Lordship.
The moment you become a regular employee of the corporation, you are covered by the rules,
Lordship.
regulations,
Lordship.
right?
Lordship.
So just say that now.
Lordship. So, Lordship, may I?
Have I understood the
Lordship.
issue correctly, Mr. Shekhar?
Yes,
This is your argument.
Yes.
So you just,
Lordship. Lordship.
you know,
Lordship, may I
just
submit my?
yes.
Lordship. Lordship.
Yes, feel free. But what I'm saying is that no need to repeat
Lordship,
the
Lordship.
everything because that all has been done.
Lordship, first
What
up,
is this?
that is the rule, Lordship. I have also reflected.
The same thing, I think.
Same, Lordship, but I have also reflected it.
No, you tell me it will become very complicated for me to refer to two books of the same regulation. Give me the pages. I think it's the same edition, 1989. Just give me the pages. I will refer from here.
First time,
Mr. Shekhar will have to bear my scribble now.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, may I submit first, Lordship? Lordship, may kindly look at Annexure D, page 26.
Annexure D.
Page 26.
Yes, your
Regularization.
advertisement.
No, regularization.
Regularization, yes. Yes. Yes, please.
In pursuance of the decision of the Board of Directors in its meeting held on so at Assam State Warehousing Corporation Head Office, Navajyoti Mishra was engaged as Deputy Manager so on contractual basis, yes, hereby regularized as Deputy Manager Finance, subject to discharge without notice assigning any reason thereof and under Finance and Account branch of the Assam State Warehousing Corporation. Here it is, Lordship, specifically mentioned that I have been regularized under Finance and Account branch of the Assam State Warehousing Corporation.
Yes.
But in the warehouse center, there is no any accounting branch, no any accounting, no any post lordship.
That's all right.
If there is no available in the center, any post, then how a person can be transferred lordship?
But you are given this pay that is to be given. Now it appears that you see the difficulty that I'm facing is as if I go by the records and the explanation given in the AO, it appears that there are bona fide reasons for having you posted. It doesn't appear that there is any so now this is a limited jurisdiction. You see, I am not sitting in appeal against the transfer order, right? Now it seems that they have taken a decision in good faith. That you may have a different perception, I may have a different perception. That is not important because the records is very clear. It says that upon retirement of so and so, upon retirement of Sri Bhupen Bhagavati on 28/2/2025, he may also entrusted he may also entrusted with additional responsibility of center in charge of the two centers with the authority to issue warehouse receipts. He will look into the financial aspects of the warehouses and try to strengthen the accounting of both the centers. This is a stopgap arrangement until the joining of the new incumbent in place of Bhupen Bhagavati so and so. Till the retirement of so and so, Shri Nabojyoti Mishra, that is you, correct?
Lordship.
Will look into the accounting matters at the same capacity and take necessary help and support of current warehouse manager in fulfillment of duties. So it seems that it is done like a stopgap arrangement.
That's why
Once that post is filled up, then perhaps you will be taken back. Now, I don't feel there is anything, and neither have you alleged any malafides.
Lordship.
You have not alleged any malafides
Lordship
or arbitrary.
Lordship
It looks like it's a stopgap arrangement and you are not getting prejudiced.
Lordship
You are going to get the same in your same capacity.
No, Lordship.
It is mentioned at the same capacity.
Lordship may kindly look at the schedule number 1.
Where have you said all this in your reply?
Lordship.
Have you said all this in your reply affidavit?
First of thing, Lordship may come to the para 8 and 9 of the affidavit in opposition of their Lordship.
Yes.
Here it is, they made it page
Yes,
42,
yes.
Lordship. Page 42.
Yes.
Page 42.
Yes.
3 from top Lordship. Thereafter, additionally, to look after the administrative and operational function of the Buddha Center at Silchar and Karimganj, for which the corporation needed someone who can efficiently perform all the duties single-handedly, and there could not have been a better choice than the present petitioner to perform all the duties.
They have more faith in you.
That's why, Lordship, their intention is to promote myself, Lordship, but their intention is to ruin the service career, Lordship, by demoting, Lordship.
Where have they demoted you?
I am holding the post of Deputy Manager Finance, Lordship.
Yes.
But that
in addition, in the same capacity as a stopgap.
Lordship, I have already trained up in accounting matter, Lordship. If
You have already?
I have already trained up in accounting.
Trained up,
Lordship. In several times, 12 times I have already trained up, Lordship, in various places of the country, Lordship. And those who entered first time, Lordship, they had to train up for scientific preservation of the goods and commodities, Lordship. They have to train up for pest management and fumigation. And even Lordship may kindly look and our affidavit, Lordship.
Yes.
Affidavit in reply,
Yes.
page 85, Annexure J, Lordship.
Yes.
It is point number 4, Lordship. It is clearly mentioned that the post is transferable and he will be required to serve at any of the warehouse center of the corporation. It is clearly mentioned, but in our engagement letter, in our regularization order, this is not.
Okay, noted.
Lordship.
Noted. Yes.
And thereafter, Lordship, 7.7, Lordship.
Yes, noted.
7 and
Will
9,
contribute to
Lordship.
the annual premiation. 9.
Lordship.
In addition to above, he'll furnish a cash security. Yes.
Lordship.
Noted.
So rule also says same thing, Lordship.
This is an order in relation to one Mustafa Abdul Mateen,
Lordship.
who was appointed as warehouse manager.
Warehouse manager,
Okay.
Lordship. And they are from background from warehouse.
Okay.
Lordship. Heavy entry is different. Our qualification is different.
Okay.
And other warehouse manager's qualification is different.
All right.
So, Lordship.
Anything else?
Lordship may kindly look at general condition of service, Lordship.
Yes.
That is page 18. That is also reflected, Lordship. Point number 10, Lordship.
Yes.
Field officer posted in warehouses and employees handling cash shall furnish security in cash or fidelity guarantee, insurance or both.
Yes.
As
Yes.
I have not entered as warehouse manager, I have.
You cannot do this.
I cannot do this. Lordship.
Okay.
That condition.
All right.
Have to fulfill, Lordship.
Yes.
Otherwise. And Lordship, advertisement shows.
Yes, contractual. Head office.
That is also contractual, but
Head office.
Lordship.
Yes.
Qualification also different, Lordship.
All right.
I am
Okay.
basically, Lordship, MCom in accountancy and PGDM, postgraduate diploma in management, Lordship. But other warehouse manager, they are bachelor in science, having biology or chemistry, or Lordship, economics as one subject, Lordship. The whole thing is different, Lordship. They want to demote, Lordship, by discharging the duties of warehouse manager. I have to furnish, Lordship, if a person is to serve in a warehouse manager, he has to serve.
While you were posted at the head office, before your regularization, you were taking care of the accounting in the warehouse.
Lordship.
You were, right?
Lordship.
Isn't it, Mr. Shekhar? Which paragraph? I remember you had mentioned the other day. Which paragraph is that? That is an admitted position.
Yes, Lord.
And Lordship,
Anything else?
Lordship. Board is the supreme authority, Lordship. Unless and until board takes decision, the managing director cannot do these things, Lordship, only alone, Lordship. It is reflected in their affidavit, Lordship, Annexure 8, page 59, Lordship.
Yes.
It is clearly mentioned, Lordship, in pursuance of the decision of the Board of Director, Assam State Warehouse Corporation is meeting held on so-and-so, the following warehouse manager are promoted. It is the unanimous decision of the Board of Directors. But so far my knowledge is concerned, Lordship, record does not show that there is any board decision regarding transfer, Lordship. Lordship, advertisement, my engagement also done as per the resolution of the Board of Directors, Lordship.
Okay.
And Lordship, strength of staff, classification of staff requirement, the Board of Directors shall from time to time determine the strength of staff of all cadres.
These grounds are there in your writ petition or not?
Lordship, may I submit, Lordship, my affidavit
not
reply,
there.
Lordship.
In your writ petition?
Lordship.
Where are these
Reply,
grounds?
Annexure 8 is the promotional order.
Annexure?
That's what he has referred. That is the promotional order. For promotion, board's recommendations should be there.
In every case, board's recommendation.
Anyway, all right.
Lordship, yeah, there is also, Lordship, app also specifically mentioned, Lordship. Warehousing Corporation Act, Lordship. Section 20, Management of a State Warehousing Corporation.
Who is the appointing authority?
Appointing authority.
Appointing authority is the board, they takes the decision, then it is order is given by the manager MD.
No, because you see the transfer has to be by the appointing authority.
Yes.
So if the where do we get who is the appointing authority?
MD is the authority.
MD.
Yes, my lord.
Where do we get that?
It is there in the.
Just show me who is the appointing authority. Read it, Mr. Shekhar.
Appointing authority. Rule 8. Appointment of class 1 posts shall be made by the managing directors on the basis of selection made by the selection
Class
committee.
1.
Class 1, my lord. With prior approval of the board of directors of the executive committee. Appointment to the class 2, 3, and 4 services shall be made by the managing director on the basis of selection made by the selection committee.
And here this is class 2.
Class 2, my lord.
Okay, flag it, please.
But my post is the Lordship, there is no any deputy manager.
Give it.
Lordship, I have been.
All right, I have heard you.
Lordship,
yes.
Kindly. May I submit, Lordship, the section 20 of the Warehousing Corporation Act, Lordship. Management of a State Warehousing Corporation. This general superintendence and management of the affairs of a State Warehousing Corporation shall vest in a board of directors which shall so everything, Lordship, the general superintendence, management and affairs of the State Warehousing shall vest on the board of directors.
All right, noted. Please pass on that copy also. Mark that whatever you read, just flag it up and
that's it.
Yes. All right, please take down. Councils, you may take your seat now. Heard, Mr.
Lordship, may I submit, Lordship,
Yes.
may I affidavit, Lordship, there.
You indicate the paragraph when I'm dictating. Mr. Counsel, I'll quote your paragraphs. When I ask, you just let me know. Heard, Mr. T. Bhattacharjee.
Lordship.
Learned Counsel, huh?
Bhattacharya.
Bhattacharya, learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. R. Shekhar, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent. Respondent 1, 2, and 3. Within bracket, you write Assam State Warehousing Corporation and MD Bora, learned standing counsel, Corporation Department. Stop. Within bracket, respondent number 4. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is assailing the order dated 14/2/2025 whereby the petitioner was transferred from the post of Deputy Manager Finance Head Office, Finance and Accounts, to Assam State Warehousing Corporation, Silchar Center, in order to perform the function of accounting matters of the Silchar and Karimganj Center. Stop. The brief facts of the case is that the petitioner was appointed on 10/8/2017 as Deputy Manager Finance at the account branch of the head office of the Assam State Warehousing Corporation on contractual basis. Thereafter, the petitioner joined in the said Thereafter, the respondent corporation, warehousing corporation, by order dated 10/8/2017 engaged the services of the petitioner as Deputy Manager Finance Contractual in the office of the Managing Director, Assam State Warehousing Corporation, Guwahati. Stop. Thereafter, the services of the petitioner was regularized by order dated 17/2/2021. Pursuant to the regularization, don't say pursuant to, in the meantime, by order dated 14/2/2025, the Managing Director of the Warehousing Corporation respondent transferred the petitioner from the said post of Deputy Manager Finance Head Office to Silchar Center. Aggrieved by the aforesaid transfer, the present writ petition has been filed. Next paragraph. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the terms and condition of the advertisement read with the engagement order, the post of Deputy Manager Finance at the head office of the Respondent Warehousing Corporation to where the petitioner has been posted is not transferable. Stop. He further submits that that by the impugned transfer order, the petitioner has been transferred to the Silchar Center to perform the function of accounting matters of the two centers in question. And as such, the petitioner has been demoted to the utter prejudice of his service prospect. He further submits that under the provisions of the under section 20 of the Warehousing Corporation Act so and so, it is only the board who is authorized, board of directors or the board? Board of directors who is authorized to transfer the who is the competent authority to order transfer. He accordingly submits that the impugned transfer order of the petitioner by the managing director is without jurisdiction and authority.
Rule 68 also says.
Rule?
Rule 68.
68.
68 and 59.
Of which rules?
Regulation.
Regulation. Then say regulation. Regulation 60?
68 and 69.
68
and 69. Page 47.
Page 47.
Eight also.
তাতে act খোলা হয় rule 20 act section so and so red with regulation 68 and
69.
69 and 69 of the Assam State Warehousing Corporation Staff Regulation 1989. Per contra, Mr. R. Shekhar, learned so and so, submits that though initially the service of the petitioner was contractual, based on the engagement letter dated so and so. However, the same having been regularized later on, the service conditions applicable to the staff of the respondent warehousing corporation is applicable. Correct? Is applicable. Stop. He further submits that under the existing regulation, it is the managing director who is being the appointing authority for the post held by the petitioner is competent and authorized to transfer the petitioner. Tar uport aru eta submission lagabo. He further submits that under the existing rules, the services of the members of the board of the respondent state warehousing corporation is transferable. Stop. In support of the submissions, just one second. Mr. Counsel, I am recording the submissions of Mr. R. Shekhar. Do you want to dictate something in that?
No.
then please take your seat. Do not interfere the flow of the court when the court is dictating an order. If you want to say something, you can say it after the order is over. But please don't interfere when the court is dictating the order. In support of the aforesaid submissions, he relies upon the following decisions. Number 1, Mr. Shekhar Roshan Lal was the first one.
Yes.
That is, that is of Supreme Court.
Supreme Court. It's a constitutional bench.
Number 1, Roshan Lal Tandon versus so and so. Citation to DD reported in 1968, Volume 1, SCR 185. Rajesh Kumar Singh versus District so and so, reported in 2022 Supreme AR. This is Allahabad High Court, right? Allahabad, huh? Within bracket Allahabad 334.
The other one is the Supreme Court.
Hmm?
The other one is the Supreme
Which
Court.
one?
2006, 2 Supreme 221.
A2 উপৰত দি দিবা এটা Allahabad তলত দি দিবা Union Public Service Commission versus so and so 2006 Volume 2 Supreme 221. 3 decisions, no? You have been. I have given my anxious consideration to the arguments advanced by the learned counsels appearing for the contending parties, and have perused the materials available on record. I have also duly considered the case law cited at the bar. The issue that falls for determination in the instant writ petition is the legality and validity of the transfer order dated 14/2/2025. Stop. Apt at the outset to refer to the advertisement and the engagement order of the petitioner to the post of managing director, to the post of deputy manager finance in the office of the managing director, so and so. Advertisement dated so and so reads as under quote unquote page 24. Engagement order dated 10/8/2017 reads as under quote unquote page 25. Reading of the aforesaid advertisement and the engagement order, it is apparent that the petitioner was appointed on contractual basis for a fixed term to the post of Deputy Manager Finance at the head office of the State Warehouse Corporation. Respondent so and so. It is further, it appears that after the 6 months of contractual period, initial contractual period having been over, the services of the petitioner from time to time has been extended. It appears that thereafter, the services of the petitioner was regularized by order dated 17/2/2021, which reads as hereunder quote unquote 26. The engagement or that it is further apparent that the advertisement as well as the engagement order was issued by the managing director of the so-and-so. Then regularization to quote unquote. Reading of the aforesaid, it is apparent that the services of the petitioner, which was on contractual basis, was thereafter regularized by the managing director by the aforesaid order as Deputy Manager Finance. Under Finance and Accounts branch of Assam State Warehousing Corporation. Stop. It appears that while the petitioner was performing his duties post-regularization in the head office as the Deputy Manager Finance, by impugned order dated 14/2/2025, he was transferred from the said post at the head office to Silchar Center. Stop. The impugned transfer order dated 14/2/2025 reads as under. Page 27, A to A. Reading of the aforesaid, it is apparent that the managing director transferred the petitioner from the head office to the Silchar Center to perform the functions of accounting matters of the Silchar and Karimganj Center. Stop. In order to ascertain whether the post of Deputy Manager so-and-so is transferable or not, it is apposite to refer to the relevant provisions of the regulation. Stop. Under the aforesaid regulation in Chapter 2, Class 2, under Regulation 5, which provides classification of post, provides the post of Deputy Manager, Warehouse Manager under the same class. Stop. Regulation 8 under Chapter 4, which provides appointing authority, reads as hereunder. Quote unquote 8(1) and 2. Page 14 of Paba. It is apparent that the appointing authority to the post of Class 2 is the Managing Director. Stop. Regulation 12, which provides general conditions of service, reads as under. Relevant provision of Regulation 12, which provides for general condition of service, reads as hereunder. Quote unquote. Roman 7. relevant ko bana laga. Say everything. 1, 2, 3 pra ekdam 10. Reading of the aforesaid regulation, it is apparent that a member of the service shall be don't say that. Reading of so and so, it is apparent that the post of deputy manager is transferable. Stuff. It is well settled law that once a member appointed on contractual basis is regularized, the terms and conditions under the statute governing such service is applicable. Apt to refer to the decision of the apex court in Roshanlal Supra, wherein the apex court stop paragraph 6 of the aforesaid judgment so and so is reproduced hereunder for ready reference. In view of the aforesaid, there can be no doubt that since the services of the petitioner has been regularized, the regulation so and so, the regulation shall be applicable, which provides the post of deputy manager so and so transferable. That being so, the argument of so and so to the effect that since the terms of the advertisement and engagement letter bars transfer of the petitioner cannot be accepted. In order to examine as regards the reason for transferring the petitioner out from the head office to the Silchar Center, apt at this juncture to refer to the relevant paragraphs of the affidavit in opposition. Relevant paragraph 7 to 16 of the aforesaid affidavit is reproduced hereunder for ready reference. Reading of the aforesaid averments made in the affidavit in opposition, it appears that due to exigencies of service, the decision, the impugned transfer order of the petitioner was issued. In connection to the aforesaid, relevant records as placed before this court by Mr. R. Shekhar, learned counsel for the Respondent Warehousing Corporation, is perused. It appears from the aforesaid that after taking it appears from the records that after taking consideration of manpower shortage and current financial challenges and proper functioning of Silchar and Karimganj Center, the petitioner was decided to be transferred to Silchar Center at the same capacity and grade as that of his current post, i.e. Deputy Manager Finance, to look after the accounting matters of Silchar and Karimganj Center. It is further apparent reading of the aforesaid record that the aforesaid arrangement is made as a stopgap arrangement till they don't say that. Stop. The argument of the Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner that it is the board under section 20 read with regulation 60 8 and 69, who is the competent authority to issue transfer order, is totally misplaced. As stated above, under the regulation so and so, it is the appointing authority who if is satisfied that a member of the service is required to be transferred in the interest of the corporation, the same can be done. Regulation 68 and 69, which has been relied by the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, is as regards the residuary condition of service and power of relaxation. Since the regulation specifically provides the power to the appointing authority to issue transfer order in the interest of the corporation, the aforesaid regulation is not applicable. Stop. That apart, the argument of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner that the petitioner has been demoted appears to be also misplaced inasmuch as the impugned transfer order itself makes it clear that the petitioner is transferred in the same capacity as he was as that of his current posting at the head office. Stop. Then apart, it is apparent from reading of the records that the transfer of the petitioner was in the interest of corporation. It is well settled law that a transfer which is an incident of service is not to be interfered with by the courts unless it is shown to be clearly arbitrary or vitiated by malefides or infraction of any professed norm or principle governing the transfer. Reference is made to the decision of the Apex Court in the case of Obanikanto Roy versus State of Orissa, reported in 1995 Supplementary 4 SSC at page 169. Therefore, thus, what crystallizes from the above decision of the Apex Court is that once a person is appointed to a transferable post, transfer from one place to another is an ordinary incident of service and therefore does not result in any alteration of conditions of service to his disadvantage. It is undoubtedly the scope of judicial interference in transfer matters is limited. It is only when transfer is made on malefied consideration the same can be interfered. In the present case, it is abundantly clear that the impugned transfer is made in the interest of the corporation by taking all the relevant considerations, by taking into account all the relevant considerations and by the competent authority. It is further apparent that the petitioner being transferred in the same capacity, there has been no alteration of conditions of service to his disadvantage. That being so, this court finds no merit whatsoever in the writ petition. Accordingly, the writ petition stands dismissed. No cost. Mr. Shekhar, did you find that paragraph that
Specifically not mentioned, but in general, mentioning is there, my lord.
I remember somewhere you showed? Was it from the records? Somewhere I remembered the other day. return back the records. Huh? You just, I might need the records. I'm keeping it for 1 day. Tomorrow you take it after the order is out. Sorry.
I may be allowed to submit.
Yes. Submit what?
Annexer E Lordship specifically mentioned there is, he may be transferred, he is hereby transferred and posted so and so. If it is not mentioned under what capacity he will be transferred.
Okay. I have quoted it.
Yes. The statement made in the.
Mr. Counsel, I have already given the judgment. You can always, if you have any grievances, you can approach the.
May allow me Lordship to submit.
Submit what?
If anything required. Lordship.
No, after the judgment is delivered.
Lordship may, while.
Mr. Counsels, please don't make such submissions before a constitution court. The court master will return this to you tomorrow, okay? Ekhan turn or Ekhan Shekhar.